HVM is located in Houston, Texas, on a 22-acre site conveniently located 20 minutes from Bush Intercontinental Airport. Houston Vessels Manufacturing, a leading manufacturer of pressure vessels, three-phase separators, process skids, and other high-quality products. This facility is fully equipped with certified welders, overhead cranes, sub-arc welding equipment, and orbital welding equipment, which saves fabrication time and materials. Ideal for large and small projects alike, the fabrication area provides lifting capacity up to 40 tons and hook heights to 25 feet. The offices encompass approximately 12,000 square feet. With a well-staffed engineering, design, project management, and quality control departments, we are capable of providing quality products which meet the highest standard. Houston Vessels Manufacturing, specializing in custom fabrication of pressure vessels and high-specification piping system.